this is Chris DeReicher with Churchill Mortgage. I wanted to talk today with you about title insurance. This is a part of the process that everybody goes through when they purchase a home using a home mortgage, but very few people even know what it is or what it does. So first off, I wanted to start out by explaining that a title insurance company is an impartial third party that can facilitate any of the funds. So your down payment doesn't get paid to Churchill Mortgage, doesn't get sent directly to the seller, but it's actually held by the title company. When the loan funds, our mortgage goes to the title company and then disperses that to the realtors or wherever that needs to go. All the invoices for the appraisal, all the expenses throughout the buying process, it all goes to the title company, and then they disperse checks from there once the settlement has been completed. So title insurance is required by Fannie Mae for any new mortgage, which means that title insurance premium will guarantee for us as a mortgage company that your mortgage is in first lien position on the property. There are no second mortgages that would have to be paid out first. In the event of a sale, the primary mortgage that we're setting up on that property would be paid off first. This will also include mechanics liens, like maybe a painter's been out there and had done some work to the home or some painting in the home, never got paid, and they could put a lien on the property to ensure that they get paid for the work they've done. And that title insurance premium guarantees that there's clear title and that the mortgage is in first lien position. Now, the title insurance premium that a buyer pays for protects us as a lender, but how does the buyer get protected? Well, in the contract it states that the seller must give clear title to the buyer, and the best way to ensure that is for the seller to pay for an owner's title insurance premium on behalf of the new buyer. Now this protects the buyer from any old mechanics liens or mortgage liens or any kind of lien on that property at time of closing. Title company is also going to do a title search and look across all the chain of ownership for that home, who's owned this property, and make sure that no one else has ownership interest in that property that the buyer should be concerned about. You could have 3 brothers or 3 siblings all inherit a property and maybe only 2 of them have signed off on the title correctly, or maybe there's a divorce situation in the past. I strongly recommend, even though an owner's policy is optional, I strongly recommend that any new buyer purchase title insurance to ensure that they know what they're purchasing and that they know for certain that that title is theirs and there's not going to be any liability for you in the future. If you need to know some great title insurance companies, please give me a call. If you have questions about mortgages in general, I'd be excited to help you.